We're here today with Terrence Hawkins of FDI's Trax. Terrence, it's great to have you here today.
It's good to be here, Bill.
All right, Terrence, first question. What are your ultimate goals for the FDI members with Trax?
Well, Bill, Trax's ultimate goal is to help all members to achieve 3 separate streams of income. Those incomes are in real estate, investing, and in building their FDI business, generating residual income. What we're trying to do is to have each stream of income to be equal or more than everyone's monthly expenses. When we generate that in the residual income, we will help them to use that income to pay off their bills. When we generate that in real estate, that can be used for savings. And when we generate that for investing, that can be used to reinvest, but reinvest aggressively. And by doing that, we can have them to have 3 streams of income, and not one stream is a job.
How exactly do you help someone's cash flow?
Well, Bill, to help someone in their cash flow, you first must help them to generate a budget. We believe that a person needs a written budget and a plan that they can follow. If you have a written budget and plan, you know exactly what you're spending. We're going to help them to generate that budget and look on those items in the budget to hopefully determine if they are misusing some funds in other areas. And then once we find those items, we're going to help them to be on a budget that they can live month after month after month and not having to worry about cash flow.
How does Trax work with FDI's other products and services?
Well, Bill, Trax is the education unit of Financial Destination. What we will do is we will use credit Trax, we will use money Trax, we will use equity Trax, and we will educate our members on each one of them that while credit Trax is increasing their credit scores, equity Trax is getting them out of debt, and money Trax is helping them with their tax planning and their financial planning, we will educate the members so they would not need those services again.
What makes Trax real estate methods different from all these other companies out there?
There's only one legal and good way to do real estate investing. All of our different laws in our states have set a guidelines on how you should properly invest in real estate, and there's certain things that must have. What we do is educate our members on each one of these steps to ensure that they get the great benefit out of real estate investing. But while doing that, and by us educating them week after week on our calls, we're not charging anything extra. While other companies are charging thousands of dollars to get this same information, we're giving this to our members for free.
Terrence, if you had one final thought for our listeners today in FDI, what would that be?
Well, the first thing that I would tell members is to first affiliate themselves with Financial Destination and use all of the different products and services that Financial Destination has to offer. All our products and services cannot hurt them at all. They can only help them to increase their financial position so they can reach all of their financial goals.
That's lots of great information, Terrence. I want to thank you again so much for being here today.
Thank you, Bill.